Pooja, all the best. I already listened to your welcome speech. My only request, please make my work easy. It's becoming very challenging for me. But give it your best shot and very excited to listen to you.
Who wouldn't want to purchase the new iPhone 14 for just 50,000? Well, the offer ends tomorrow, so give the Pro Master by 6 p.m. Says my TV and my phone. Am I supposed to go that? My heart says yes. Don't you want to show off your new classy iPhone to your friend next door? But my mind scrolls over this man's electricity bill. Then it hits my mind that Hedgie Wells once quoted that advertising is legalized life. But is this known by all the others in this room? Well, hello everyone, I'm Pooja from Phonics Power. Today, I am here to talk about how advertisements influence deeply the way people think. Everything around you is an advertisement. Advertisement has molded our society. They are appealing pictures of happy families standing next to the newly built housing developments. We have gone from being reviewed 500 ads in the 1970s to 5,000 ads daily. Can we even imagine it? Humans ourselves gain humanity only because of our emotions. Now, that emotion is the truth. The ad campaigns which perform well have 31% of emotional content in them. And the emotional response towards a product has better influence on the consumer's intent to buy a product than the ad's content itself. Another way to trick us is to establish campaigns. We all know the Real Beauty campaign by now, in which they impose on forgetting the beauty-based factors that are imposed on women. And we all know the Friends Forever beauty campaign, which gained 6.4 shares across Twitter, Facebook, and blogosphere since its launch in February. It is the most shared as of 2015. Well, this is how ads influence. Now let's see how ads influence choices that we make. Now, we have seen people and social workers of NGOs finding that color isn't a beauty-based factor. But a few years before, we've all seen the fat and lovely ad. Have we? Yeah, right? So, in one of the ads of Paragon, we see a young woman who wants to become a successful actress. But she doesn't have lighter skin tone. Now, how is even lighter skin tone related to beauty? But then she sees the pattern of the ad, she applies it onto her skin, and she gets lighter skin tone. Then she becomes a successful actress. Is this even relatable to the movie Poetry, which is from the true stories of acid attack survivors, in which a girl who wants to become a successful pilot becomes one after being thrown an acid bomb? Now, we've all understood how advertisements influence us, but it's true that after this event, everyone is going to go switch on their TV, watch an ad that inspires us to buy a product because it is just on sale. But the only atomic change that you could do is think before you buy. Now, a successful investor called Warren Edward Buffett has once quoted that if you buy things you don't need, soon you will have to sell the things that you need. With that on mind, check around you and check if the things you're exposed to are realistic and how they affect you. Now, I would like to complete my speech with a question. So, think of this question for the weekend, right? So, the question is, how much of amount would you donate to the needy people if you sold all the things that you bought just because an advertisement told you to, with those words like offer and discount? Think over this question for the weekend, and thank you for giving me such a great opportunity.
Now I'm thinking, whom should I give first, second, and third? It's becoming difficult for me. I wish I can give everybody the first prize, but man says no, it's not possible. You have to rank them first, second, third. But right from your start of your speech, the way you introduced yourself, the way you ended it, and gave us a question to think for the weekend as well, or for the coming week, was amazing. If I can request you, can you do that introduction the way you did it? You just did that first part. I am Pooja from Phonics Power. So can you just do that first bit alone? From the starting, and then when you say I am Pooja from Phonics Power, I just want that first bit.
the new iPhone 14 for just 50,000. Well, the offer ends tomorrow, so hit the Roma stores by 6 p.m. Says my TV and my phone. Am I supposed to go there? My heart says yes. Don't you want to show off your new classy iPhone to your friend next door? But my mind scrolls over this month's electricity. Then it hits my mind that H.G. Wells once quoted that advertising is legalized lying. But this is known by all the others in this room. Hello everyone, I'm Pooja from Phonics Power. Today I am here to talk about how advertising.
Pooja, you're a born speaker, a born actress. So it's just in you. Okay, that was just like watching a movie. That's why I wanted you to redo that. Okay, so if I just take a video of this and put it on Facebook or Instagram, it will become viral. Bet me, just do this thing and put it on Instagram, it's going to go viral. So, awesome Pooja. You made this, what to say, elocution, you added value to it, so keep up the good work. To come on the stage, I should thank every parent who's here. Whether going to school or no, I don't know how much it matters, but I believe the extracurricular activities that you do in school is what makes you an old person. Okay? The effort that you put in to go out and interact with people, that is what is going to help you also. My sincere appreciation to every parent who's taken that effort or encouraged your children to be a part of it. So thank you so much. Keep doing that because that is what is going to make them successful. You might have a B.Tech or what to say, an IIM, MBA. That is all secondary. But if you're not able to come up on the stage and just express your thoughts or express your idea or interact with people, because these are skills that really make a difference. So everybody who's come here has something unique. Okay? Every student who spoke here has something unique, but unfortunately the rules of the game are you only need to have 3 winners, first, second, third, which means it doesn't mean that the other person who has not come into the first, second, third is not a winner. Okay? They are definitely a winner, but might be in this arena or in this dais, might be we were not able to appreciate or give them, but as for me, all contestants who came here, let it be a kid contestant or a pet contestant, you really put in your effort. Okay, so keep up that work, keep practicing, keep performing, and I'm sure that there will be a larger dais than this where you'll be able to exhibit your skill. For us, we look at certain things when we judge a person. One is about being natural. It's about connecting with the audience. It's about the way you introduce yourself and the way you end the topic. Okay, so that is based on those criteria is what we have given first, second, third. My only request, please don't take it personal. If you thought that your son or daughter would come first but we have not given it, please, we are really sorry about it. As I said, it was a very, very tough competition. Okay, I just asked Shalini, can we give for everybody a prize, but she said no, they have already had first level of competition, second level, this is the final level of competition. But the efforts are really outstanding, okay? The efforts that they put in to bring a video or toolkit, all of that is really outstanding. So I'm not going to delay. Let's get to the results. We'll start with pet first. So let's hear it from audience to see whether are we on the same page. Whom should we give the prize to? Very, very tough for us. I tell you, it's just 0.5. What is it? 0.5 marks is the difference. Whom should we give third prize to? Okay, let me make your job easy. Now you know how difficult it was for me. Whom should I give first prize to? First prize, whom should it go out for? Pet. Come on, a little louder. So, Pooja, can we have you on the dais to receive your first? So, the first prize goes to Pooja. Awesome, Pooja.
Satvik.
Probably I can say this, Sam, in front of you also. I don't think this is something that even eBug has recognized. That nobody has, it's 150, the get exam that they have up here, it's score of, maximum score of 150. You know how much he scored? 150 out of 150, which nobody has scored. Pooja. So now, you know, Sam, why you do this?